How to hide subscribers on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To hide the subscribers on your YouTube, what you need to do is firstly launch a browser and head over and search for your youtube.com. Now over here at the very top in your left hand corner, you will see the three horizontal line. You need to click on it. After that, scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of YouTube Studio. You need to click on the option. Now again, head over to the settings option. Then tap on the channel option and click on advanced setting. In this section, before an update, you would be able to hide the subscriber count in your YouTube channel easily. However, this might not be available for every channel right now. So you can go ahead and check out the advanced settings section to see if you can hide your subscriber count or not. So this is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.